Hello dear soulmates and welcome back to the channel. This open back Bubu gown is a requested tutorial and it is very easy to make. If this is your first time on this channel, you are absolutely welcome. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you not to miss the upcoming tutorial. To make this stylish Bubu gown, you are going to need at least 2.5 yards of lightweight fabric. And without wasting your time, let's get started. So the first thing to do is to mark out your full length. That is shoulder to floor, this way. After my full length, then I mark out my hip divided by 4 plus 4.5, and I'm going to mark it, then I rule it down. So out of the 4.5 additional measurement to the hip, we have ½ inch for the side joining. So whatever your hip is, divided by 4, then plus 4.5 inch. The next thing we are going to do, you are going to minus 2 inches from your shoulder to waist. 2 inches from your shoulder to waist, and we are going to mark it across this way. Also, your shoulder to hip line plus 4 inches. Shoulder to hip line plus 4 inches. Then you are going to mark it across this way. Now for the neck width, we are going to make use of 4 inches by 2.5, and you are going to connect it like this. You can use your pattern ruler as well. For the sleeve length, I make use of my 3/4 sleeve. 3/4 sleeve length is what I make use of, and I'm going to add 3 inches for the sleeve folding, and for the sleeve opening you are going to make use of 11.5. So half of it will be for the side joining as well. So I'm going to connect everything like this. So you are going to make a little curve here just to connect it. Now for the opening on the back, we are going to make use of 1.5. So we are going to mark it, then you are going to connect it to this line, and you are going to make a slight curve here. So after completing this drafting, now we are going to cut it out and use it to cut out our front side. The gears are front side, and it was cut in 4.5, so don't forget that. Now we are going to proceed to the back drafting. 4.5 plus your. So now for the back drafting line, we are going to cut out this space. After cutting it out, the next thing we are going to construct our slash line. Before you slash your pattern, make sure you measure what you have here. Then you are going to multiply it by 2 or 1.5. That's what we are going to use to determine how to spread it out. So now we are going to slash our pattern. Now after slashing it, we are going to spread this pattern paper this way, and make sure you spread it evenly. After spreading it, then I measure what I have. The next thing now is to brace this opening. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to brace this opening just to keep it in place. Now after bracing it this way, the next thing we are going to place this pattern on our fabric, align this center, then we are going to use it to cut out the back part. After cutting this back, we are going to join the shoulder of the front and the back together. The next thing after cutting both front and back is to place them right side facing each other and join it on the shoulder line. Then you are going to take the neck line. After joining my shoulder line and also taping the neck line, the next thing I'm going to do now, I will head over to the sewing machine, folding the sleeve, folding, join it, and repeat same thing to the other side. Then I'm going to close both sides of the bubu gown. Lastly, I'm going to fold it on the down side as well. Then I'm going to join it. So lastly, you are going to cut out 2.5 inches wide stripe, and you are going to fold it this way. Then you turn it this way to create rope casing. Then on the back opening, you are going to place them right side facing each other this way. Then you are going to join it round. After joining my rope casing, then I insert my rope inside the rope casing and adjust the ruffle equally or evenly to have balanced back side. And with this, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. If you find this helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.